Indian government recently stated that the Aravalli range no longer qualifies as a mountain range according to the 100-meter definition. So this has also allowed mining and deforestation. This will affect the wildlife and people living there. I come from Gudalur, which is also a hilly region, which is prone to such ecological risks, just like Aravallis. What is your take on that?
I do feel that it's very important. We don't sacrifice our environment for development. We need to think about development almost in partnership with our environment. We have to be sensitive to these beautiful hills. We have to be sensitive to the ecology. What is happening in the Aravalli is just complete unleashed greed. People are just being short-sighted and greedy, and then they're destroying the environment. I think we need balance. This does not belong to you and me. It belongs to the future of our country.
You have mentioned that the youth of the country, the students and the Gen Z will protect our country. So what plans we can do to really fulfill that roles in the future?
Today, our democratic system is under attack. Democracy is the idea that you should have a voice, I should have a voice. The voice of our people is under attack. And it is under attack by those in government. They are threatening people who don't agree with their ideology. So for that, we need young people like you who are brave, who are confident, and who are not scared of asking questions.